Hey everyone, my name is Corinne McCammon. Welcome to my channel. Any of you who are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will not miss any of my beauty updates. Today, I am diving into the highly anticipated MAC Studio Radiance 24-Hour Luminous Lift Concealer. Now, one of my viewers had requested I do a review on this, so of course I had to jump on the opportunity. I threw it in my cart on Sephora.ca and it just showed up in the mail yesterday. This has also been trending on social, so I am very excited to get started. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what this concealer is all about. The MAC Studio Radiance Concealer claims to provide 24-hour wear with a luminous finish. It's designed to lift and brighten under the eye while offering medium coverage. Plus, it's lightweight, which is perfect for those long days when you need your makeup to last. It comes in a sleek, easy-to-use tube with a doe foot applicator, which makes application super simple. MAC offers 44 shades to cater to different skin tones, so you're likely to find your perfect match. I picked up the shade NW10 Very Fair Beige with rosy undertone, which is ideal for fair skin. Now I'm going to apply it under my eyes and on my blemishes to see how it performs. I'm using the Angie Hot and Flashy A506 brush to blend it in. Okay, wow. I put a little bit too much in the corner of my eye, so I'm actually going to use that as my eyeshadow base. Okay, I'm in love with this primer. Look at the difference. And I have to be honest with you all, this is the very first MAC product I've ever tried in my lifetime. I'm not kidding, it really is the first. I don't know why, I don't know, I just never thought about trying, and I think I will be from now on because I absolutely love this concealer. This absolutely just covered up all of my blemishes, my scars. So I could go on with the rest of my day and not even put foundation on. That's how much I absolutely love this concealer. Okay. Wow. Wow. Absolutely love this concealer. This is wow. That's all I gotta say. That's just I have no words. I have no words. Right away I can see that it has a luminous effect and it doesn't seem to be settling into my fine lines, which is perfect for me. I absolutely love it. If any of you were thinking about purchasing this, I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Now this cost me $44 at my local Sephora. However, you can purchase it from Ulta. I looked on Sephora.com and I couldn't find it, so I'm not sure if Sephora's maybe not selling it in the US, but it is being sold by Ulta and you can purchase it for $31. I will have the description and both links in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am just stoked that I purchased this, and I can't remember the name of my viewer. I do apologize. I will put it on the bottom of the screen here. Thank you so much for recommending this product and for asking me to review it because I'm in love. This is now my all-time favorite concealer. So thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.